everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this new wireless keyboard from the company called DURGOD, or DURGOD. Now I've done a couple of videos in the past on DURGOD keyboards, so I'm excited to take a look at this one. This is in their Fusion Steam series of wireless mechanical keyboards, and it's a little bit of like an old school look, which is kind of cool. Interested to take a look at this. This does have Cherry MX Speed Silver switches in it. And what you get in the box, you do get the wireless mechanical keyboard, you get a wireless receiver, receiver extension adapter, charging cable, other things. And I do believe it also works on Bluetooth, so if you don't want to use their wireless connector, you can use Bluetooth instead. So what I'm going to do here, just kind of do an unboxing, we'll take a look at it, and then I will do a subsequent test connecting it to a computer and do a typing sound test and a few other things like that. But you pull the box out, there's an inner box, DURGOD Fusion. Thank you for choosing DURGOD. And you get a mechanical keyboard manual here, just short little quick start guide. Obviously you can use this as a wired USB connection as well. Multiple ways to connect this to your computer. So you do, like I said, get this little extension adapter. Get a key puller, or keycap puller. Get a DURGOD branded cable wrap tie. Get a USB-C to USB-C connector, and then a USB-A to USB-C connector. So quite a few cables in the box. And then here is the keyboard. Now, I think this one's really pretty cool because it kind of looks like an old Commodore kind of Commodore layout. Black, red, gray, that kind of old looking keyboard color. Now, this is all plastic. There's no aluminum or metal in the actual keyboard case, but it's really nicely made. It feels pretty hefty. It's not flexible or cheap feeling. You do have some rubber feet on the bottom here. You do have, you know, if you want a little bit of a rise or raising of the back of the keyboard, you have these little feet you can kick out. And then you have the keyboard. So, and you can see those are the MX Silver switches, Cherry switches. These also look to be PBT keycaps, I think. Yeah, they must be. And overall, the action feels pretty good. Yeah, so the keyboard feels good, action, nice sound. Comes with a clear cover, so dust cover to keep it from getting dirty or if you have it sitting out. And then there is a switch you can see that turns on. So yeah, this is what the keyboard looks like. Now, I don't know if this is backlit. I don't think it is. I don't believe that it's backlit, but I could be totally wrong. But you can pair it with two different Bluetooth devices, it looks like. So it says switch to Bluetooth device 1, switch to Bluetooth device 2, switch to the wireless connection mode, switch to the USB connection mode. So you could potentially have this paired with multiple devices and then just kind of toggle between them, which is nice. Yeah, there's some indicator lights here on the top. Yeah, and overall, it's kind of the gist of it. So pretty impressed by the fit and finish and look and feel of this. What I will do is go ahead and set this up. I'll get a microphone kind of close to it so I can try to record some of the typing sounds. So we'll go ahead and jump over and hear what this sounds like in action. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what this sounds like, what it looks like, and all of that. I mean, overall, I really do like the aesthetic of this. I think I mentioned earlier, oh, it looks like a Commodore computer. Well, I mean, it looks like that old style, but the one that I got in black with red looks more like a Nintendo colorway. The gray and orange might look more like, the old school computer look, if you're into that. But as I said, you can use this in wireless mode 2 to 3 hours a day. Battery will last around 40 days without being recharged. You can always just keep it plugged in if you want to use the USB-C. And this does have the DURGOD PBT Cherry Profile Double Shot keycaps. So I did mention their PBT earlier. There's a bunch of different switches that you can get with this, as you can see here on the screen. Connection method, Bluetooth 5, the 2.4 gigahertz wireless, which actually I didn't show when I did the unboxing, but there's a little secret compartment under the DURGOD logo there on the top left where they store the little 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle. So that just pops open that little secret compartment and it's stored in there. So that's kind of neat. Compatible with everything you might think, right? So iOS, Android, you could probably use this on Mac, although, obviously it has a Windows key and it's kind of more set up for Windows out of the box, but you can do that. It does support the DURGOD Zeus engine software, so you can hook this up to your computer and customize a bunch of stuff, set macros, all kinds of things like that. I'm not going to show that in this video. This is more an unboxing and first look at the device, but you can check one of my other videos out about DURGOD and see all the software and what it can do there. Overall, I think this is a pretty good keyboard. It comes in about $129, give or take, depending if it's on sale. So I don't know if you think that's expensive or not. I think the aesthetic of this does give you kind of like a really neat look and feel if you're looking for that. And, without going and building a custom keyboard, I think it might be a pretty good value there. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be sure to link to this in the description. And let me know if you want to look at any other DURGOD keyboards or any other questions you have around them, and I'll kind of keep that in mind for future videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. Definitely trying to get the subscriber count up here. I've been kind of sitting around 10,000 for quite a while. I want to get to 20,000 and 50,000 in the next year. So anything you can do would be super helpful. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.